Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate WordPress block themes for modern UI customization, full guide step by step clearly. To activate WordPress block themes, first, log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Appearance section. Click on Themes. In the Themes area, you will find options for adding new themes. Click on Add New. Search for block themes in the search bar. You can also upload a theme by clicking Upload Theme. Select the theme file from your computer. Once you find a block theme you like, click Install. After the installation, click Activate. Now, your block theme is active. To customize the theme, go back to the Appearance section. This time, click on Customize. You will enter the WordPress Customizer. Here, you can modify various aspects of your site. Add a site title and tagline under the Site Identity section. Change colors and header settings in the Colors or Header sections. Explore the Typography section for font options. Adjust layouts under the Layout settings if available. You can also manage menus under the Menus section. To add widgets, look for the Widgets option. Block themes often use a full site editing approach. This means you can also customize individual posts and pages. To do this, navigate to Pages in the dashboard. Choose a page you want to edit and click on it. This will open the block editor. Use the various block options to customize content directly. Continue to save changes as you make edits. After you finish customizing, preview your changes. Make sure everything looks as you desire. Finally, publish your changes when satisfied. Your WordPress site is now fully customized with a block theme. Explore additional features and settings to enhance your site further. This completes the guide to activating WordPress block themes for modern UI customization. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.